Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup. And if you want to watch lots of hauls or like you want to get tips on skincare, hair care or makeup, you are at right place. You can subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing one dip challenge. Let's see how much I am able to do it. Let me explain quickly what is one dip or one squish in the challenge. I think it's self-explanatory. Whatever product I'm using, I'm allowed only one dip, like one pump of foundation, one squish of concealer, one dip of brush in the eyeshadow palette and everything. So yes, I'm very excited. I have never done a challenge on my channel, so let's begin without wasting any more time. So if you guys want to see if I failed or if I am able to achieve the look, then do continue watching. As you guys can see, I don't have anything on my face right now. No kajal, no lip balm, no moisturizer. I wanted to do everything like starting say ekdam. So yes, we'll begin by using the lip balm. So again, only one thing I will take. Okay, this much only I got and I can use only this much. Now about the moisturizer, I am using Mama Earth Vitamin C face cream. The review of this and other two products are already there on my channel. You can have a look because I think Mama Earth का products पे बहुत controversy है and all. So I wanted to. It's a non-sponsored video. So I wanted to give my genuine thoughts about that. So go check out that video. And again, one pump. Let's see. Okay, I got only this much. Too little moisturizer for me. I am an absolute dry skin person. So let's see. For this video, I didn't do anything. I didn't do my skin prep and anything. I shaved my face yesterday, and many of you guys are asking about the shaving and also you guys can check out that video as well. इतना सा done. But only it's giving a shine to my face. I love about this moisturizer, although I wish that I could use more because I love using lots of skincare or moisturizers on my face before I am applying makeup. Is my nose looking weird? Primer, I am using Lakme's primer. So yeah, again one squish. Okay, it's fine. Anyways, I don't use that much primer. Take this primer and apply it on my my pores and all, where I want to blur everything is at this place only. Whenever you are using primer, take it and spread it on your face. I only had tiny bit and I'm happy with it. It's okay. My main concern is concealer, not even foundation, because I have major dark circles, as you guys can see. When I'm doing makeup, I'm thinking मैं कुछ भूल तो नहीं रही हूँ. At the end, I realized I forgot to apply primer. तो मैंने सबसे पहले ये बाहर निकाल के रख दिया. And then I am using my concealer, LA Girl. This is such a fabulous concealer, guys. I don't have any words for this. Again, I have to do one squish and that's it. I cannot use more than this. This is what this challenge is. Now when I was let me show you. Okay, so whatever is there on this tube, that's it only I will use. Can you guys see? I don't have anything. That's it. Okay, I will blend all this using my Damn Beauty blender. I have blended everything and I guess it's fine only. I'm liking it. Anyways, I don't do that much of makeup, like only whatever product is required. I put on fake nails. I got these from Amazon. Like their edges are quite sharp, so I have to file them or like see. I don't know if I'm able to do that or not. And plus I'm noticing right now on camera it's like not picking up at all. Like if I don't think so you guys are able to see if I'm wearing fake nails or not. I think I will like paint them little bit dark as I want. Let's see. And I did something in my background, like let me know guys if you like it or not. Little bit of like bling and like lights and all. So yes, coming on to the foundation, I am using MAC ka foundation. So I have only one squeeze, so I wanted to take something full coverage, and this is a very fabulous and wonderful foundation. Like MAC never fails me. I don't know, like I grew up using MAC product. Let me quickly show you guys. Like I don't have anything on my hand, so okay, ये तो बहुत कम है. I guess we have to get used to it. Like this much only will use. So generally you guys know that I apply my foundation and everything using my like beauty blender, but right now I think I will apply the dots and everything using my fingers, because like I feel the beauty blender picks up the like most of the product. So I have like scarcity of product. I don't have that much product with me, so like I can use only this much. I'm trying to get like this much only guys. Like I think it's good in a way. So now I will blend everything using my beauty blender. Actually it is a like quite a full coverage foundation, so like I think I won't be needing like more than this, because anyways I don't use that much foundation. I badly need to file these nails. Like they are like चुभ रहे हैं. As you guys can see, my face is looking quite चपटा और एक ही टाइप का बहुत flat type लग रहा है. So I will use a little bit of lighter concealer to like brighten up my this T-zone. Again, you guys know the drill. Only one roll. That's it. Like nothing much. Just one roll, and that's the little product I can use. I'm having fun with this challenge. That's it. I'm having fun with this challenge because I have never done a challenge in my YouTube channel, or I have never done a like makeup challenge for a fun as well. Like I thought like this is going on YouTube right now, like anything like one dip challenge, and I was like I wanted. That's my son. I look so funny right now. Anyways, we'll quickly like blend it. You are applying a lighter shade of concealer, or if you are trying to highlight this part, don't drag and take it to your full face, otherwise it will look very white. Just like push the product inside where you have like applied it. As you can see, like this area is like quite highlighted and it's coming little bit forward, and this is little bit sunken. Next step is to set my like face with the powder. So I will be using Maybelline Fit Me powder, because this gives a like beautiful coverage, and it like gives a very fine and smooth base to your makeup. So I absolutely love this powder. So it's like a lifesaver. Like I recently started using it. I'm not able to put it down since then. Like I guess you saw the last Nykaa haul. Again, description, everything. And guys, one dip. So I will take the product over here and I will dip my beauty blender in it, and that's it. I cannot use more than this product. So okay, so this is what I have. I think it's enough, but let's see how much like I am able to dip my beauty blender in it. So this is it, guys. Oh, let's see if I'm able to do that. This was very less, guys. Like, I need powder to set my face, but anyways, cannot do anything. I don't have product to like take it to my neck. Like, I think different lag raha hai. It's like I'm wearing a mask, not the mask we are like wearing and going out. It's like a mask of foundation and makeup. But yes, let me try and track something, whatever is there on my beauty blender. I like the beauty of beauty blender is like it takes and absorbs the excess product. So right now we are scarcity of product, we don't have that much. So yes, blend. To draw my brows as well, and that's the scariest thing for me because like one dip won't be enough for me to do my eyebrows. Can you see how little hair I have? I need product. So again, for my eyebrows I'm using Profusion ka palette. I guess I need to try more products for my eyebrows. So let's see. I have shopped and I have bought few things from Nykaa. So there might be a haul coming up for Nykaa. And I shop jewelry as well. So like uska bhi haul aane wala hai jaldi hi. So let me show you. Like, this is the shade I will be using. Only one swirl. So I will take as much product as possible. Should I tap off the excess? Should I? Oh, that was so scary. Quickly do the ball. Okay. अच्छे से फिल करने के चक्कर में like this became more boxy and all, and I don't have much product on my brows, so I'm somehow trying to make it manageable. ये थोड़ा सा boxy हो गया है. I guess I had enough product on my like brush. I swirled it like anything. For my eye look, I'm using Huda Beauty because I am allowed only one dip and I wanted to take the most pigmented eyeshadow palette I had because it's only one swirl. So I didn't want it to fail. So yeah, it's a gorgeous palette, guys. It's a gorgeous palette. Look at the shades. Like, come on. So pretty. So pretty. So I will take the like Demure shade. Yes. So like I will again take this shade and do only one swirl. That's it. A bit like this. I think doing the eyebrow, like I thought eyebrows was difficult, but I think doing eyeshadow with only one dip would be the hardest thing because you want your like eyes to match. You don't want one to be like more pigmented and another one to be light. So yes. Shade I would be taking is this henna shade. It's quite dark, oranges, tangerine kind of shade. Swirling the brush, that's it. So we'll apply little here and then we'll apply. See, it has more eyeshadow, this has little less. That's what I was scared about. Come on, eyeshadow. Guys, this turns out good because I have to make one more video like with this makeup and I don't want to look like a clown and I don't want to redo my eye look. It takes so much time. So again, like I'm not sure what I want to do. So I will take this. I have never used this shade, so I will take this shade on the same brush. Or should I take a new brush? Because if I want to do the cleanup and all, then I will use this brush. You see, this one is dark, this one is a little bit light. I'm using this brush. It's again a fluffy brush and I'm using this shade. So again I will swirl it. God, I will look like a clown. कुछ पिगमेंट आया है क्या? I will take this shade. This is Fling. So like one swirl. It's quite pigmented and pretty. So let's see. We'll apply little bit over here. Little bit over here. I think it's fine. I don't have anything on my finger anymore, and I am like feeling if I like do more, then I might lift off whatever is there on my eyelid. But it's like creating a very soft glam look. Like it's like not that much. Anyways, we knew that only with one dip like will not get that much. Eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme. Oh, again only one dip. So I will swirl it like takes most of the product. I think it's like pretty decent. Anyways, I want a very thin line only to use like whatever I have on my band. Like wand. It's good. It's like it took so much of product. Can you see how dry my wand is like right now? I feel you guys are looking up to my nose. Again, I am doing kajal and I'm like allowed one swipe only because like it's not a dip or one kind of thing. So like one swipe only I will do. So nothing. Oh my god. Can you see anything? I guess it will be like this only. What? Nothing came off. Anyways, I think we failed at kajal. Mascara time. Okay. Let's see. Whatever product. Hi guys, I'm back. Although it's I think 1 millisecond for you, but I applied lashes and it took me half an hour. In fact, more than half an hour. I started at 12:20 and it's right now 12:55. Like, and still I don't feel that I did a good job. Like, oh my god, like it was so bad. Like this is the second time I'm applying eyelashes, and in the first go I was like able to apply it in within 5 minutes. So I thought that for today's video also I will do it, but it took me so much time. My first mistake was I was like trying to apply lashes using like with my fake nails on. I was like thinking that I did it first time, like I will start using that. I got so now I understand why people do the lashes like at the last, because right now I'm so tired. Not tired, like I won't like this is so. It took me half an hour, more than half an hour to apply eyelashes, and still I don't think so. It's looking nice and it's not perfect. Yeah, moving on. My blush and everything is still pending. So I will be using this blush. It is Sugar's blush and this is the most pigmented blush that I own and I absolutely love it. So we'll like take this angular brush, like the brush I always use, and like dip and swirl because only one dip is allowed. Okay, that's it. We'll apply. I think it's close enough. Usually I don't take this much blush. Now bronze, and I will like only one swirl, so I will like try to take as much product as possible. I took a lot. Yes, will. So I will apply the highlighter. Same angular brush I will use. Like I try to use only one brush for like most the things. So again, this also I will scroll. Okay. Enough to apply highlighter. Again, I think this side has more. Use this pink one Maybelline lipstick. I think mostly products मैंने Maybelline के ही use किए हैं, and I have all the products that are needed to create a makeup look. Why I wiped extra off? I was only allowed one dip. Anyways, okay. See, I removed extra stuff. How stupid of me! While talking, I forgot. Okay. But I think this is such a gorgeous like shade, and this is like bright shade, so less will also work. थोड़ा ये ज़्यादा like pinkish सा लग रहा है, so I will use Huda Beauty, and the shade is Bombshell. Like this is such a gorgeous shade, so I will apply a little bit on the top. Guys, I'm done with the makeup one dip makeup challenge. It was amazing. I had so much fun. Like अभी YouTube पे ये trend नहीं चल रहा होता, I wouldn't have thought about doing this challenge. And like this is such a fun challenge, guys. Like I will try to do more makeup challenges and other types of challenges, and I will like urge you guys to try this challenge as well, even if you are not doing any YouTube or anything, just for the fun of it, and you will love it, because I had so much fun, and I'm loving like how my look turned out. Although like काजल का फेल हो गया था, एंड लाइक ब्लंडर बीच में आई लैशेस का ब्लेंडर हो गया था, जिसकी वजह से आई फील मेरा ये वाला आई शेडो लाइक आई वाज हैविंग मेजर प्रॉब्लम इन अप्लाइंग दिस आई लैश. एज यू गाइज कैन सी ये थोड़ा सा अभी यहाँ से भी लेफ्ट हो रहा है. सो आई फेल्ट कि ये थोड़ा सा मेरा आई शेडो थोड़ा सा लाइट हो गया है, एंड आई वॉज नॉट अलाउड टू डू वंस मोर because no more products, so I was not able to correct it. But anyways, I'm still liking it. So yeah guys, let me know, comment down below, likes, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, it will help me a lot. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much guys for watching this and taking out time from your lives and watching my videos. This means a lot. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.